In today's video, we're going to look at section 1-3, open sentences. First, there's some stuff we need to know. So the first is an open sentence. This is a mathematical statement with one or more variables. So as long as it has one variable, you have an open sentence. Okay, a solution is an answer. A set is a collection of objects or numbers. A replacement set is a set of numbers from which replacements for a variable may be chosen. An element is each number in the set. And a solution set is a set of elements from the replacement set that makes the open sentence true. Okay, so I know there's a lot of information there. Once you read through it a couple times and apply it, it makes a lot more sense. And I will use them in context to help you grasp them quicker. So find the solution set, or the numbers that make this sentence true for each equation if the replacement set is 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the replacement set is given as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So those are the numbers we're going to try out in our open sentence and to find the solution set. So I'm going to start with 3. So first I'm going to start with 3. I'm going to plug it in. So we have 6 times 3 plus 7 is equal to 37. So 18 plus 7 is 25. That does not equal 37. So 3 is not an answer. Next, I'm going to try 4. 6 times 4 plus 7 is equal to 37. So I get 24 plus 7 is equal to 37, and that's 31. That is not equal to 37, so 4 is not correct. I'm going to try 5. 6 times 5 plus 7 is equal to 37. So we get 30 plus 7 is equal to 37. So I get 37 equals 37. That one does work. So I'm going to hold on to that one and I'm going to move on. And I'm just going to double check the last ones because you never know. So 6 times 6 plus 7 is equal to 37. So I get 36 plus 7 equals 37. That is 43 does not equal 37. So 6 is out, and I'm going to do the last one of 7. So I get 6 times 7 plus 7 is equal to 37. So I get 42 plus 7 equals 37. And that's just 49. And that does not equal 37. So 7 is out. So my solution set, and I don't need that shade, is just 5 in this case. So there we go. That is your solution set. So now we're just going to look at this one and we're just going to solve the open sentence because we have at least one variable. So I'm still going to follow my order of operations. Remember, we have implied parentheses when we have that big division bar. So work the top and the bottom separately. So I can get 13 plus 8 divided by 3 times 1 is equal to Q. And then I get 11 divided by 3 is equal, 13. I missed the number, so that changes that quite a bit. See, make sure you always pay attention, people. So I get 21 equals Q, which 21 divided by 3 is just 7, so 7 is equal to Q. So there is your answer. Okay. Next one. An inequality is an open sentence that contains a less than, a greater than, or a less than or equal to, greater than, or greater than or equal to. So find the solution set for each inequality if the replacement set is 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're going to do the same thing we did in one of the last problems, and we're just going to keep plugging in and see which ones give us a true statement. So I'm going to start with 5. So I get 30 plus 5 is greater than or equal to 37. So I get 35 is not greater than or equal to 37. So 5 does not work. Next, I'm going to try 6. Move this down just a little bit, make it easier on myself. So I have 30 plus 6 is greater than or equal to 37. So I get 36 is not greater than or equal to 37. So that one's out. Oh. I want to do 7. So 30 plus 7 is greater than or equal to 37. So that is 37. That is greater than or equal to, and is equal to. So that one works out. And the last one I'm going to do with 8. So I get 30 plus 8 is greater than or equal to 37. Well, 38 is definitely greater than 37. So that one works out. So my solution set is the numbers 7 and 8. Because they both make the inequality true. Okay, so Megan had $18. After she went to the used bookstore, she had less than $10 left. Could she have spent $8, $9, $10, or $11? Find the solution set for 18 minus y is less than 10 if the replacement set is 8, 9, 10, 11. So essentially we're doing the same thing as we did last time. So we're going to plug in right away. I'm going to start with 8. So 18 minus 8 is less than 10. So we get 10 is less than 10. That is not true. 10 is not less than 10. 10 is equal to 10. So 8 does not work. She couldn't have spent $8. Then we go to 9. 18 minus 9 is less than 10. So we get 9 is less than 10. That is true. So 9, she could have spent $9. And we're going to try 10. 18 minus 10 is less than 10. We get 8. That is true. That is 8 is also less than 10. And then the last one, 11. 18 minus 11 is less than 10. Well, that is 7. 7 is definitely less than 10. So that one works. So our solution set, she could have spent $9. She could have spent $10. Or she could have spent $11. That is all the possibilities she could have spent if she went to the bookstore and had less than $10 left. All right.